Most of the people are not aware what posh exactly is, and few of them don't know that this specific act actually exists.
It is not Posh Act as such. It is sexual harassment of women at workplace. And then within the brackets you have the three main verticals in which this act works. That is prevention, prohibition and redressal.
What legal protection exists for the people who come up with a complaint?
She still can go and file a case with us. As a citizen of the country, your basic rights that you have, that will always be there in place. What is that the victim is waiting for months and years together and being traumatized with this?
Ma'am, we have seen women, even now, they hesitate to report the complaint or file a complaint. What is it stopping them to complain? Is it due to lack of awareness or lack of trust on the system?
I told my mother said, you would have done something. That's why they would have acted like that. That is a very, very difficult phase to go through.
Some few people, in some cases, they misuse the law. So, what are the consequences faced when a complaint is found to be false?
How dare he denies me? I am the Miss Campus. How can I be said no? There are genuine cases where women are inflicted with this kind of a trauma. This is for them. We didn't know that this will be sexual harassment, ma'am. We were just joking.
Joking? Why do people commit harassment?
Awareness, mindfulness, maturity, and professionalism.
There's a myth in the society that women's dressing, women's clothing is actually a contributing factor for sexual harassment in the society. Girls are often taught to adjust, especially in uneducated environments. So, how does this social conditioning affect their ability to seek help?
That's a solid question.